Now question number 4. Now question number 4. A boat which has a speed of 5 kmph in still water crosses a river of width 1 kilometer along a shortest possible path in 15 minutes. Then find the velocity of the river. So this belongs to shortest path concept. So first we are discussing about what is the shortest path. Shortest path. What is the shortest path? For example, one boat wants to travel from here to an exact opposite point. So that is called shortest path. To reach from A to B, it must make some angle to the vertical direction and must travel with some velocity. What is this velocity of the boat? And what is this velocity of the river? And what is this velocity of the boat with respect to river? And what about this distance d? So how much time taken by the boat to reach from A to B? Time equals to distance by speed, d by relative velocity, VBR. But what is the VBR according to right angle triangle in this? VBR, that equals to square root of VB square minus VR square. Similarly, in this case, sometimes he will ask the angle in between velocity of the boat and velocity of the river. How finding? This is the boat and this is the river. These two vectors must be coinitial, then only finding angle. This angle finding pi. How finding? This is theta and this is 90. You take this is theta 1. So theta 1 plus theta plus 90 equal to 180. From that I am getting theta 1. This total straight line. Pi minus theta 1, that gives the angle in between velocity of the boat and velocity of the river. This is the total concept belongs to shortest path. So this concept we are applying in this problem. In question number 4. So here what is the given information? Here he had given a boat crossing the river in shortest path. Shortest path means like this. So what is this velocity of the boat? And what is this velocity of the river? And what is this velocity of the boat with respect to river? A boat having a speed of 5 kmph. So what is the velocity of the boat? That is 5 kmph, kilometer per hour, in still water, crossing a river of width 1 kilometer. So what about this distance? This d equals to 1 kilometer. This equals to 1 kilometer. In shortest possible path, it is taking 15 minutes time. How much time taken? 15 minutes. You must convert that into kilometer because velocity given in kmph. So 15 by 60. Now I am getting this as 1 by 4 hours. That is the time taken by the boat to cross the river. Now I want to find the time. Now what about time? Time equals to distance by VBR. What is the distance here? 1 kilometer by VBR. What is the VBR? From the right angle triangle, root VB square minus VR square. Root VB square minus VR square. What is the time? 1 by 4. That equals to, what is the velocity of the boat? 5 kmph. So 1 by root 5 square minus VR square. After doing mathematics, we are getting VR. What is the VR? Velocity of the river. That is the velocity of the river. This implies what we are writing here? 4 equals to root 5 square minus VR square. Now I am taking whole square both sides. Then what happens? 16 equals to 5 square, 25 minus VR square. VR square coming this side. So VR square equals to 25 minus 16. So VR square equal to 9. Now what about VR plus or minus root 9? Now we are taking as 3 kmph. So this is the velocity of the river. In this way we are doing shortest path problems.